Hello. In this kind of little video section, in this video and a few other videos as well, we're going to talk about plurals. Specifically, how do we use classifiers to represent plurals? So in English, we have the plural marker S, right? And what do we do when we see those? So altogether, there'll be about 3 videos. We're going to do 3 different sentences. And in this video, we're going to talk about this sentence. In the second video, we'll talk about there's a line of cars, and then there's one more after this. So what we're going to first do is, of course, identify everything in the sentence. We have our subject. We have our verb. We'll go ahead and a bunch of flowers is our object. And then we'll breathe this up even more. We can get rid of those, right? Bunch, right? We really don't need a. Bunch is going to be our classifier that is going to kind of inform us of how to sign and translate the ending of this. So as always, let's go ahead and put up our little posters. And as always, all of our posters are written in capital letters so we can distinguish between gloss and English. Okay, so okay, this is pretty fine. We could move this around. We could say flowers I have. That's fine. But we don't need to, right? There's many different ways to sign a sentence. There's really no wrong way as long as you are clear in your message and somebody understands. So let's go ahead and focus on a bunch. Now, when we're talking about a bunch, it means many. And so how could we sign that in ASL? So we could just sign what I just signed, right? We could sign many. That's perfectly 100% allowed. Hold on, I'm going to rewrite that. It didn't look good. Right, really separate that N and Y. Okay. So we could just sign I have flowers many. But the word a bunch, I really want to show that meaning. I don't just want to tell you that I have many flowers. I want to show you that I have many flowers. So what we could use is a classifier, right? And remember our classifier notation is CL, and then next to it is the hand shape. So CC means 2 hand shapes of Cs. So I have my flowers, and I'm going to use my first non-dominant hand, C, to hold the flowers. And I'm going to use my other C to show you like kind of a bouquet, and I hope I'm spelling that correctly, a bouquet of flowers. So I'm showing you this bouquet of flowers that looks like a bunch of flowers. I didn't tell you I had many flowers, that's kind of boring. I'm showing you exactly how those flowers look. The possession of flowers that I have are bundled together in a bouquet. Right, I can change the size of that bouquet. I can make it super huge. I can make it smaller. I can show you that I have a bunch of bouquets. I can, really change up to be specific on how to do it. So if you use classifiers, that is going to be better than just using a sign. And this is true for all of it. Classifiers are always the best. You want to try to incorporate more classifiers so you can show. It's better to show and not tell. And so in the next video, we'll talk about there is a line of cars, and we're going to use a different kind of classifier.